everyone, I'm Maple from Fosan YS Tool Mill and Mold Community. Today I introduce one laser tool mill for you. This tool mill pipe diameter from 9.5 to 31.8. Thickness from 0.3 to 2 mm. You can see even for small pipe, we also made very heavy stand. And also horizontal stand, connect the horizontal stand can adjust the move up and down very easy. And also inside we use the needle bearing inside will be more strong. This is our laser welder. And also whole machine can operate by this panel. This is fully the multi-grinding section. Here is 4 units. No need the worker stand here to adjust. Just need to setting the pressure in system, then working automatically. This is sizing section. And we use the industrial gearbox. And also double motor. One motor in forming, one motor in forming. Sizing and forming. This is toolkit head and encoder. This is metal short cutter. This is the whole line for the laser welding. So friends, if you require the laser welding, please contact me. Thank you.